Very good evening. This is Abigail bringing to you the news antiphons in Miglaya from Don Bosco Media Network. Here are the headlines for today. COVID-19 pandemic dampens the spirit of Sengkut Snem and residents of Light Lingkot protest against bypass road in connectivity. And now the news in detail. The annual gathering called Sengkut Snem, organized by Seng Khasi Seng Khmer, a socio-religious organization for the protection and preservation of the indigenous Nyotrip culture, was held at Waking Ground in Shillong today. Unlike in the previous years, where thousands of people would participate with joy amidst beating of the drums and exhibition of tableaus depicting the various phases of the indigenous culture, this year's gathering was completely dampened due to COVID-19 pandemic and strict adherence of protocol. To mark the 121st Foundation Day of the Seng Khasi, a procession was taken out from Maukhar Seng Khasi Seng Khmer with a handful to reach Waking Ground, the main for the gathering. It is probably the first time in recent years that such a dull gathering is being witnessed. The annual gathering began with offering of prayers at Maukhar locality and also culminated with prayers at Waking Ground. The leaders of Seng Khasi Seng Khmer actually wanted that this year's celebration to be a mega event, but things turned upside down due to COVID-19 pandemic. This time, the celebration was completely dull as the state government has allowed only 300 people to participate in the main venue of the gathering, and that too under strict adherence to government's protocol. However, the gathering was graced by a judge of Miglaya High Court, H.S. Thankyou, tribal chief of Himamalem, Paem Ainam Manix Aim, and others. Speaking at the gathering, the president of Seng Khasi Seng Khmer, Don Kupar Dakhar, regretted the low turnout at the gathering due to COVID-19 pandemic. He, however, lauded the 16 founding members, including Rash Mohan Roy Nongrum, for their vision to protect and preserve the Nyotrip cultural and religion. Speaking to Don Bosco Media, Shri Sinrop Langkhar Shieng, Assistant Secretary of the Seng Khasi Seng Khmer, convey his Sengkut Snem message by stating that though this pandemic has affected the situation, but we the Khasi people should never forget that we are Khasi, and with the advancement of technology, we should always remember our roots and we should never forget what our ancestors have done for us.
Dagababuram, your president, Joga Seng Khasi Seng Khmer, Baro Kidkhot, Joga Jeli Perkatkam, Kibala Pentun Rong Hanga, Yagadi Kabenta, Hagadi Kasngi Kabamenta, Kajing Sungu Burom, Kalongru, Yaipaim, Ainam Manixiem, Ibalong, Ukongsan, Hagani Kajing Raki Punun Burom, Yakasengkut Snem, Mendau Snem, Idon Lang Ruang Ni, Yaupadoloi, Uma Puramon Kenjing, Jongki Ilaka,
Kalan moya ka Tetang kita moki kentin kenran ani tai moya kaseng kasih serah bahkan nang beng bahkan nang beng.
Nakaliang zonga bat nakadobwa zonga Himamalem ni Ngolan rak ni Jaka jing ai Kulei Kerku kerdok Kat ketbok Keruyan Jaka ni jing rak ke Basispa Arway kali Kisnan Jong Lasen Kusnan Nada Kuda Kajing semua saram Banjang ni Bahak Aplai Trik Jong Unai Wien Kat Raspa Pendai Laseng Jaka Seng Khasi Daki Kat Ndriu Ngut Kiriu Rangba Kiriu Shampang Bat Kiriu Prau Jong Gajat Ndriu Khasi Ban Yalumlang Hakawai Najaka Ngi Nongba Shillong Hapo Snom Mokhar.
Yes, in the midst of this pandemic, it has really affected the celebration of Sengkut Snem. But the rituals go on as usual. The only part which has affected the celebration is that the people could not come enthusiastically in a big crowd. But the gathering goes on because we abide by the protocols laid down by the state government, and so in order to enable the people from other villages and other parts of Khasi and Jente Hills, the celebration were taking place in different branches of the Sengkhasi as per the protocol laid down by the government, in which they celebrated in a congregation of 50-50 numbers each. The message which we send from this Sengkutsenem 121st anniversary of Sengkutsenem is that yes, we march forward with the modern education, with the modern technology, but we will not forget our roots, which are the binding force of the community and in which the foundation of the Khasi society is laid upon. So together with the modern technology, modern education, also we march forward. But at the same time, we continue to uphold and abide the roots which have been laid down by our ancestors from the beginning of time.
The local residents of Laitlingkot asseverate an indication of being in opposition against the contemplation of the newly constructed bypass proceedings, which it is intended to have a different route to be unconnected with the village road connectivity. On the 23rd of November 2020, the residents of the said region took to the streets to demonstrate their culmination by Black Flag, marching and toting with placards demanding lawfully ethical discernment on the matter before reaching a conclusion. Speaking to some of the residents of Laitlingkot, it was transparent that the bypass intersection, which would not have any correlation with the domestic road, will have a pernicious effect on the locals who are dependent on the four main rivers, which included Ummausau, Pomblang, Kremwiler and Maumasa. These rivers, as learned, plays an integral part on the everyday lives of the people of the area, and immensely resourceful aspect from livelihood to essential usage, said one of the residents. Allegation of being concealed to have perceived the matter was also reported, wherein the local resident stated that the decision taken was solely based on the Sardar of Ilaka Laitlingkot and his associates without the consultation of the general public. It is to be noted that the marching protest was set in motion from Ummausau River all the way to the office of the Sardar Ilaka Laitlingkot in unison, demanding a public hearing so people can partake in the decision-making process.
Kalau kata kejeng sengau dia kejeng sengau kuslai kumbangilong borok skata lengba kani ka surok kabarim ni emsuk emsain kamdon kanu kejeng penwet kejeng penthut kabangi bit ni biang kamai keji ni emsuk emsain hakabayadei bat ka umbam ka umdi ka kiwa sajan ka mangi khamtam kum kilong kemi ka babun sien ni em hakiwa bania sait bania penkuit Rai lengba kani kejeng wan kata ka surok ka bathamai nilayo ilut bahkan don kejeng ka bakrau ya ka snong kinong snong chang thau khamtam bon na kilong kemi ki kon samla ki ba em chak po ru na kini ki wa tikini ki sautli ki wa ken sasneu lot baro sautli ka wa Ummausau ka Kremwiler ka wa Maumasa ka wa Pomblang kini baro sautli ki la dolot pura di sanu pan mangi kinong snongin le bat ka ai kata ka ban wanra nalor bangi don lengba ka dia kesurok ka barim ka babiang na dong sedang ka bangi emsuk emsan balai pan ngin haban phai sigi jing janja kata ka dei ka ba mangi kinong snong isungo persya ya kani bat banda dei bangi latip nadu bas dang hi baro ngin ya kersyaan hi ba ka dei banwan nang ni nang po ka barim rai na ka jing bam tip kinong snong ki basah ka umdum kansan ngi syutip penban bak haban lek nang tai kani kala pen dia open sungsi si sayangi kinong snong kaba ki babun hi kinong snong baro hi kisngau persya ya kani ke jenglek kata kesurok ka bathamai namar kani kan pendu ki umbam ki umdi ki ba kata si saya ka im kayap nalor kata sakita ki wa ki bangin sadu kajeng pencot ka basyarkai mangiling iladon ngi manga ngadon hapok kadong nong thamai kaba baro sidong hi ni pendon kami kene kawa Maumasa bat kawa Pomblang delada kini arteli ki wa ki ladu tembangi sanungin le kamun ngin hapli sa jan sha dom tengar lani kata Isha jan mau jerong kawa jing king yong satai Dia kata tu kelawan rak si saya ke cing ke bakra. Mo di jang katahi nya kuak ban bakandan ke public hearing baru kipai ba kin ya ai cing mut lang hang ta ke. Kam dei van long dum gum ne mo ka ba kipai ba kim don cing tip ai ro ya.
Ya don ki kam kicam ki ngi im khao na kanek surang. Te nong lai nong wan ba ya na rum na neng ro. Yok cing mentoi na mar ngi tri kam surang. Te ki babun ki nong lai langkot ki im tang bandi wai dong tang bandi do kha dia do ter kita kehidupan kita yok jeng mentoi kin namanta bakadon surok nang ne ikwa bek bakanek surok kan ya nang ne bangin lara ka kham he li kham don su kata kecing mentoi ka kham he su lara kaya nang tai ngi ki bla don lepas ne ila don kata kecing do nang ka bakrau mar kata ikwa ba ka surok ka ba thmai manta ka ban pen he ikwa bakan ya nang kanek surok barim bahkan mentoi lang yung pagka bubuan walang hindi tangyangan hindi tinginoy no tangatay police bubuan
taksi gede ke art flight ring ina sedang man ya gede ke rally jingi dan tina putwa umoso ya terter gede ke suak ba sulong doki pat ni pukut gede ke cinya rally ke persya jingi hadu ada office jong saudara sebilaka sekadau kolong ba ini ya kacing persya jingi ya kata karai dan bor yang kata karai pemerway kecung saudar kelap kecikit ini korban sudah kubur lada saudar sebilaka udang nyai skam mati udang nyai le kertup nakali yang tungi tidak matiang ni berwat lat wat lati sudah kena kalat sudah kena kulati dei nakali yang tungi kuat baik ban yai tur sekarang minum keran dia daleleru minum keran dia pak cingnek pembor kacung saudara kalong baha Islam arca katra kata haka apotrik no benai Desember kelem kot dekat public hearing ndrei kacing kot cungi along kata sop hearing kebula kot tang ya ki khat nyumut kieu kibidi ki trai beri trai jaka bobot besnai kan dekat sok la kajaga cuki tang kita khat nyumut nimna ke percaya ini ko kemana kuak long ba kuak baik istrang ba beri penyak nya beri beri bakalong haduk kata taksi haduk kata taksi spotrik benai nomor arjar kedua arjar apa yang lek pak kador khas haus sebut menteri pak pastun tensong haus ikat haduk mentaru empat yok kana ru kekenca sting ini kana kekenca cikit kebangi yang cik syai sok baik ba bubun balang dok senong to kana senong ila kala lepat try akini ki kendak ski ingin saya sok yang tapi kene buat kira orang pak tadi kata angin siasong yang ke kacungnya kedua cumi kalau hak tu kemit kat kendai terik benai November nomor acara pau kedai hak tu meeting ini office akor ia macam itu dia
imnadu dang kena akne ke ilaka lai lengkot ha yang alaka ilaka lai lengkot manadu dang kena kecing senjar ba ilaka lai lengkot kalong ke babiang abadan gai kecing manda sarkar ne kino kibenta ki sadar ki habdara swa paiba lado paiba mencur ya kana niale nama paiba de basta nrai ne sadar menta ula thom payoro ya ka hak jong paiba ulamut banle pum kata ke dictatorship ki sejar ko mari china hare india ka de demokrasi mdan mano bala ban ponbor ya ka hak jong paiba mar kata pribadi kabar sarkaru bahkan peniak baik ya surak pembalong na barim tang ai kuble ya visa ki paiba iblai kirsian lang ya kani gejingnya persya hakne kapot kuble semua.
Let us now have a glimpse of COVID-19 update for today. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Thank you for joining us.